Once upon a time, there lived an ox and a little children girl. One day, the ox decided to go a little further away from the forest and build a small house of his own. He took his girl and set for a village a little further away. From there, a few people reached a pothouse in which they thought a lot about why not leave the bull house, and all of them went to the bull house together, and his children girl was not at home, and his children took the grass eating monkey back, and when his family reached the bull house, when the bull found out that the monkey had done this, the sister decided to take the revenge on the monkey. The bull attacked the monkey at night, and the bull killed each monkey with her own. That is why they say mind your own business, otherwise, you will be responsible for your own loss. Do not give more than your strength to anyone. The next person can also be powerful. Please subscribe my channel.